When your agapanthus are finished flowering, cut back the seed heads and the flowering stems right down to their base and try not to damage the leaves in the process. And then all the goodness can go from the foliage down into the bulbs for next year's display. Continue watering and feeding weekly for the next 5 or 6 weeks before they are put away for winter. Strawberries are now putting out runners, and these are the best source of new plants. Choose a plantlet nearest to the parent, cut off the rest of the runner and pin it down either to the soil or to a pot filled with compost, and I use homemade staples made from wire. It'll form roots in 2 or 3 weeks' time, at which point it can be planted out wherever you want. Sweet peas have by and large finished flowering now, and certainly when there is more brown than green, it's time to cut your losses and pull them all up. However, if you do have a number of seed pods, leave those. Let them ripen until they're brown and crispy, and then collect the seed, and you can either sow them in October or spring for next year's display.